First steps with your Bake Partner Plus. How to weight your ingredients. Activate the weight mode with the tare button. You can change unit with the unit button. You can weigh in 3 different zones. Directly in the bowl. On top of your Bake Partner Plus, press the tare button. Directly in the compatible accessory. How to install your accessories. Start by plugging your Auto Scrape All tool. Then plug the beater. You can wait if the speed is activated. To weight an ingredient during the preparation, make sure the speed button is on 0. Then press the tare button.